Hi, boys and girls. It's Mrs. Carmi here today to do some science with you. For today's lesson, you need your interactive student notebook, and you need to open up to this page that has the pictures of those beautiful horses. And it is on page 7. Okay, so go ahead and turn to page 7 in your interactive student notebook. And what we're going to do today is we are going to be talking about how some animals are the same and how some animals are different. So, how are these horses the same and different? Let's fill in the chart. So on this side, we're going to write something that's the same about the horses. And then on the other side, we're going to write about something that is different. All right, so what is something that's the same about the horses? So you might notice that they all have fur, or they all have manes, or they all have 2 eyes or 4 legs. So you're going to write what is the same about the horses. So right here, I think I'm going to write that they all have 4 legs. Now you can write that they all have 4 legs on that side, or you can think of something else that they all have the same. You might want to say that they all have a mane. Now on this side, we're going to talk about how the horses are different. Just because they're all horses, they're not all the same, right? They have a lot of differences. So I see brown horses, and then I see a speckled white horse. Then I see a horse here that looks like it could be white, and the picture is black and white. We might also see black horses, right? So I'm going to write that they could be all different colors. All right. So these are roses, and there are different roses, and they could all, some of them could be the same, some of them could be different, but they're all, we're going to talk about a little bit about how they're the same and different. So take a look at the picture of the roses. What is something that they all have? Looks like they all have leaves, right? So we're going to say that they all have leaves. They might also all have thorns. Whoops. Now, something that is different about them, it could be, is that they all are different colors or different sizes. All right, after you finish filling this out, you're going to turn the page, and then you're going to do page 8 on your own, and then you're going to stop. So for page 8, you're going to look at the frogs, and how do you know they're the same kind of animal? You're going to give me a sentence about why you know they're the same kind of animal. And then you're going to look at the palm trees, and then you're going to say they're the same thing. How do you know they're the same type of plant? And then you can go ahead and put this back in your backpack so that your teacher can check it. All right, thank you, little scientists.